Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, we are going to show you the safest method to remove LCD on iPhone 12, 13 and 14 series. If you made any mistake forcing the process, then you may encounter is LCD break, a green line on LCD, a white line on LCD or LCD blank, etc. If that happens, then that is costly too. So, if you want to remove LCD safely, then this video guide you on how to remove iPhone 12, 13 and 14 series LCD. The very first, you have to understand which side the main flex on the LCD. All 12, 13, 14 series have left side flex, so the left side is sensitive. The most sensitive of the section on the LCD is below section. Remove two screws first. This is a suction cup. iPhone 12, 13, 14 series LCD has hard to remove. LCD looks inside the frame and glue is hard too. The very first, use the hot air gun or hair dryer you have. Proper heat for around 3-4 minutes on all sides, especially the edge. More heat means easier to remove LCD. Don't use more heat, this may burn the LCD. Don't panic while doing this job. Simply use suction cup and press gently. Here you can see LCD was now open from the frame easily. Now take out the LCD slowly. Finally, LCD was removed from the frame without any issues. Hope this video has helped you to remove LCD on iPhone 12, 13 and 14 series. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below. And as always, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos. Thanks for watching. This is the process that I always applied on iPhone 12, 13 series to remove the LCD safely.